Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's we have an exciting topic to dive into, the WhatWeb tool. If you are curious about a web application fingerprint and how to use these tools effectively, you will come to the right place. So let's get started. Before we into using the WhatWeb tool, let's understand what is and why it is such a valuable asset for web security experts and penetration tester. WhatWeb is a powerful open source tool designed for a web application fingerprinting. It helps us gather information about web applications such as the technologies they are built with, the various numbers, and even potential vulnerabilities. This information is crucial for both security professionals and ethical hacker. It allows us to, as the security of website, identify potential vulnerabilities and tailor our testing approach. Now that we know what web is all about, let's move on to installing it. It's quite straightforward. So open your terminal and type sudo apt get install WhatWeb, okay, and hit enter. If you are using a Debian based system like Ubuntu, for other system you can visit a WhatWeb GitHub page to find the installation instruction. Once it installed, you can start using a WhatWeb to gather valuable information about the web applications. Okay, so here was the I have already installed Kali Linux machine, and let's dive into a practical example to see how WhatWeb works. Imagine we went to analyze a website, let's say google.com. We can use a WhatWeb to scan it for information. Okay, so first type a WhatWeb and www.google.com and hit enter. So as you can see, WhatWeb quickly scan the website and provide us with a wealth of information, including a web server type, the technologies used, and even potential vulnerabilities. This information can be extremely valuable for security assessments and penetration testing. It's help us understand the web applications, technology stack, and potential weak points. That's wrap up on the introduction. That's wrap on the introduction to WhatWeb tools. It is an essential tool in any web security expert's toolkit, and I encourage you to explore it further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on specific tools or topics, feel free to leave your suggestion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next video.